We're excited to show you a little bit about ProNebu, pocket-sized comfort and relief that you can take with you anywhere you go. Make sure everything is there and that none of the components are broken. Each box includes one nebulizer, one power cord, two masks, one for adults and one for children, one mouthpiece, and one instruction manual. Carefully read the instruction manual before operating. You have two options for powering on your nebulizer: the included micro USB cord or two AA batteries. To use the included micro USB cord, plug it into the wall or a power bank and plug the other end into the nebulizer. This is our recommended powering method. To power the nebulizer with batteries, insert two AA batteries into the bottom of the nebulizer. You'll notice a small plus and minus on the terminals. Make sure you insert the batteries correctly and close the battery door. Be careful with the battery door. It only opens to 90 degrees. Don't try and force it open further or you may break it. Battery life in the nebulizer varies from battery to battery, but to reduce the cost and waste of batteries, we recommend the use of the micro USB cord whenever possible. Rechargeable AA batteries, available at many retailers, are also an excellent option. Securely attach the liquid cup. Open the lid and put in the liquid you will be nebulizing. If you are using a medication, insert the dosage prescribed by your doctor. If you're nebulizing water, the maximum capacity for the nebulizer is 8 milliliters. If using water, the nebulizer can be used without the mask or mouthpiece. Simply hold the nebulizer a few inches from your nose and breathe through your nose naturally. If using a mask, attach the mask. Cover your mouth and nose with the mask and breathe normally until finished. When using the mouthpiece, inhale naturally and do not exhale back into the nebulizer, as this will cause damage to the small mesh nebulizing screen, which is sensitive to pressure. Put the mouthpiece on the nebulizer and inhale naturally with the mouthpiece in your mouth. Remove the mouthpiece from your mouth to exhale. The ProNebu has two settings. Pressing the button once will start it at the higher setting. Pressing the button a second time will switch it to the lower setting. A third button press will stop the nebulizer. If you need to rest during treatment, press the button once or twice to stop depending on the setting. Press the button again at any time to restart treatment. The ProNebu may be used at up to a 45-degree angle during use, but try to keep the nebulizer as upright as possible for the best results. The nebulizer will automatically switch off when the liquid cup is empty. Not properly cleaning your ProNebu can possibly create health hazards as well as shorten the life of the device and potentially void your warranty. To clean, remove the medicine cup and rinse thoroughly before laying it on its side to dry. Wipe down the rest of the device with a damp rag. Only the liquid cup can be submerged in water. Do not submerge the body of the ProNebu. Once a week, rinse the liquid cup and, if used, the mask and mouthpiece in soapy water. Rinse them off and lay them on their side to dry. Once per month, you should sanitize your ProNebu. You can do this by soaking the liquid cup and mask and mouthpiece, if used, in a solution of 1 part distilled white vinegar and 2 parts room temperature water for 30 minutes. Make sure the items are completely submerged. Once they are done soaking, thoroughly rinse them in clean water and make sure they are completely dry before storing. Do not soak the main body of the ProNebu.